Good day, everybody. How you doing, man? I am so excited to talk to you today, and I'm going to talk to you straight from the heart, man. If you are a person that is not experiencing pain of any sort or discomfort of any sort, or if you're not a person that doesn't need any kind of additional income, scroll, swipe. This call's not for you. This video's not for you. I'm going to share something with you that has happened to me. I had been experiencing some serious issues with pain, specifically in my feet and in my elbow and my back, mainly because I had taken a couple of falls and mainly because of my neuropathy as post immune therapy. My feet were really in bad shape. My elbow, it's because during a fall I broke it. My back, during a fall I messed up my L3, L4. I don't like to be on pain medication. I try to avoid it. So I didn't take anything. I was on maybe some pain patches, some Tylenol. Really wasn't working for me. A friend of mine invited me to learn about a technology that they had seen for wellness. And as you know, over the last year or so, I've done a lot of work on myself, have lost weight, about 100 pounds, helped my sugar A1C drop 5 points. But I needed to exercise now, increase my activity. And it was just hard because I didn't feel the stability that I needed in order to walk and exercise and do the things I needed to do. So I went ahead and met her in California. We learned about this technology called Pulse Electronic Magnetic Field, PEMF. If you don't know about it, if you've never heard about it, Google it, ChatGPT it. Do it in a phrase form, like, can PEMF help me with, and then say whatever condition you have. Sciatica, fibromyalgia, bad knee, arthritis, neuropathy, headache, shoulder pain, bad knee, Achilles, plantar fasciitis, headaches, sleep. You can name whatever you want to name and ask the question and watch the answer you get. When you get back the answer and it intrigues you, come to me and let's talk. That is for the person who is experiencing pain. On a different note, if you are a person that is looking to try to create income, I have an opportunity using this wellness technology to create income, and this thing is growing fast. This is not a recruitment. This is not a multi-level kind of thing. This is not membership model. This is not buying tons of equipment and holding on to it and trying to resell it. This is literally just sharing the technology one person at a time, allowing them to use it and letting the technology sell itself. Because once a person feels this technology, senses what it does in their body, and it's the close ratio of somebody who wants to fix a problem is 99.9%. Because once they see it, sense it, and feel it, the wearable technology sells itself. There's a foot plate, there's a wand, there's goggles, there's a waistband, multiple types of units depending on where you're feeling your pain and where you're feeling your discomfort or what you're trying to work on. And this is not only for people in pain. These are people even who want to take their health to the next level, okay? Because this technology allows you and your body to regenerate and heal itself. I won't get any longer on this message, but again, if you're interested in, say, pain or say info, if you're interested in the business side, say info. If you're interested in the healing side, pain. If you're interested in both, say both. Either way, I'd love to speak with you. Take care. God bless.